Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to Power BI projects tutorial. Today we will be analyzing most famous productivity dashboard by Microsoft. Here uh, Microsoft they build a dashboard that contains 6 pages. Uh, okay, in first page they this is the uh, beginning, or this is the front page of the dashboard, like mastering your productivity in 2017. So this is the opening. Okay, so in second page, uh, this is showing how important is productivity to happiness. So here overall 93% people believe that productivity is important to happiness. Okay, so here they use a slicer here. So if we use this slicer, we can see that mm, less than the this is the age group slicer. Okay, so here below 18 years old people think 80% of them think believe that productivity is important to happiness, and 18 to 21 aged people, 97% of them believe that productivity is important to happiness. And here 26 to 29 aged people, 94% of them believe that productivity is important to happiness. And 94% and 84% of 45 to 54 aged people believe that productivity is important to happiness. So this is how the this visual works. And in third pages, this is showing what is the number one challenge to being productive. So here, 29% uh, people have too many distractions, like social media, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Okay, and 20% of people are constantly being interrupted by colleagues, and then 3% of them feel they do not have the right tools, and 22% people struggle to manage their time. They have they have problem with time management. Okay, and 13% of people feel that they are unproductive due to other influencers. So also we can here this slicer is present here, so we can use this slicer to see the different age categories analysis. Okay, so below 18 years old, um, they uh, think that uh, maximum of them think that they have too many distractions, that is the barrier to being productive to them, which is social media. Okay, so which is normal. Okay, and which is also true, because they are young, and social media is the big distraction for them to being productive. And also the equal number, 43% of them think that struggle to manage their time. So this is the age where they have issues with time management. So this is the two major uh, challenges they face to being productive. Okay, so by this slicer, we can this is how we can analyze different analyze we can analyze their challenges to being productive by their age range. Okay, so and number 4 page, it is showing what would help you increase your productivity. So 91.62% thinks that a to-do list would help them to increase their productivity. And then 51.99% thinks that calendar task can help them, and following by others. Okay, so there is also present this age slicer. So in fifth page, uh, this is showing what time of day are you most productive. So there are the visual there is a visual here. If we select below 18 years old people's opinion, or Here we see that they think mid morning is the time of day when they are most productive. Okay, and if we see the opinions uh, of 18 to 21 years old people, they also think that mid morning is the perfect time when a person uh, are most productive. Okay, okay. So if we go long or further, we see that here from 38 to 44 years old people, they think that mid morning is not the most productive time of the day. Instead, early morning is the most productive time of the day. So 45 to 54 years old also think as well as the 38 to 44 years old people. Okay, and from and this is the last page, which is thank you page. So there, Microsoft built this dashboard in 6 pages. So we are going to create this dashboard in one page. Okay. So uh, we will first I'll create. We'll build this question. Okay. This is this like what is the number one challenges to being productive. We will start creating this page, and then we'll create other pages as well as. Okay. So we are going to create exactly this exactly a dashboard like this, where we use a slicers. Okay, here, and this is the questions that were in different pages in their dashboard. And here is the now what is the number one challenges to being productive. Here is the statistics. Okay, so 417 people say is distraction. Okay, so here is the cards value, and this is the visualizations with questions. Okay, so this is what we are going to create in this tutorial. Okay, so now let's look at our data set, that is productivity 2017. So here the in this data set there is a respondent ID. Okay, which is a unique column, a primary key, and then age, and then there are the okay, service question like how important would you say feeling productive is to your happiness, and then how productive do you feel overall, and okay, and others like what is the biggest challenge you face to being productive, and then when are you most productive. So we are going to use these informative features, okay, or that can bring out a solution, that can bring out a conclusion uh, uh, after we creating visualizations and analyzing them. Okay, without delaying, let's get started. Let's first open Power BI. So first, import Excel files, the data sets. Let's import first productivity 2017, and click on transform data. Okay, and here we do not need to change anything, or we do not have to perform data cleaning or data preprocessing. Okay, here, okay, so here we will add another sheet or data sheet, which is most helpful. So insert this and click on OK. Okay, so now also we do not need to change anything for this table. So now click close and apply, and the data will be loaded in this data pane. Okay, now now we need to create some measures, because we need to answer some questions, uh, like we need to answer here. If we go into this data view mode, uh, in productivity survey, here we need to answer like what is the biggest challenge uh, one face to being productive, right? So here we need to get the statistics of the uh, users uh, who, uh, who cannot be productive because of distractions, and who cannot be productive because of constantly being interrupted by others. And one maybe is uh, yeah, one maybe is facing challenges being productive due to time management. So we need to add show these values as statistics on cards. Okay, so we need to create first measures, then we will be able to show the statistics in cards. So first, for this I want to create a table to keep or to store all the measures in a table. So here uh, I'll select like enter data. Okay, and here I'll give this table name as all measures, and I'll load it. And we can see that here a new table has been created called all measures. So here we will store or create all the measures we need to that we'll use in our future analysis, okay, to build this dashboard. So first click on new measures, and our first measures is going to the total number of total respondents. So number of total respondents will be the count of uh, the respondent ID, okay, of productive table. So this is our number of total respondents. So this is our data sheet in Excel file. So here now we'll create measures like uh, we'll we will find out the number the in who, what is the subject that is the biggest challenge for a person to being productive. So we will like count the each of the area, okay, or each of the reasons, like for which people some for some people time management is the biggest challenge, and for some people distraction is the biggest challenge, and for some people interruptions is the biggest challenge. Okay, so we will count each of them for various persons that is their opinion differs, right? Their all the person or all the people is not the challenges of all people are not same. So we need to uh, count the each of these reasons. Okay, so here first we will create new measures, and let's say we'll first use the uh, challenges distraction. So here we will find out the total number of uh, incident or total number of this occurrence of the distraction reason. Okay, so here we'll use calculate function, and we'll count the we'll count here the this column. Okay, we'll use this column. What is the biggest challenge you face to being productive? Okay, from this table, productivity survey 2017. Okay, here we'll now add a filter. Okay, so here we simply the syntax for filter is we need to first give the table name, which is productivity survey 2017. Here we will select the column, okay, the productivity from this table productivity survey like what is the biggest challenge, and here we'll give the value. Okay, we will count the distraction only. So we will need to specify the value that we are going to count from this column right here, from this column. So here we need to specify this column name, distraction and social media. So here, okay, so we need to uh, add this. Now we'll click enter. So this measures, what does this measure do? This will calculate the number of occurrence of distraction that is the biggest challenge for people to being more productive. Okay, so we'll similarly will create measures for others reason. Okay, like here, uh, let's say now we create the number of interruptions. Okay, the people, uh, the number of people or that who has been facing challenges, these interruption challenges. Okay, to being productive. So here, create new measures. Here, give the name challenge interruption, and we'll simply copy this because our the function is going to the unit same. Okay, the function is same, but we need to only change in there. I'll show you here. Okay, so we need to change in there the specification or the, okay, this filter. So we will select or here this data. Okay, so so and we'll click enter, and similarly we will do the same thing for other creating other measures like challenge. Let's say what challenge others here. Let's copy this and challenge others and paste it here. Okay, and there we will change. Let's say this one other is specified. Okay, if this is the example or specification, so we'll count only this others specification. Okay, okay, and now next, again copy this one. Our next measure is going to uh, challenge uh, let's say not having the right technology. So challenges technology. Uh, we'll simply copy this one and paste it there. Okay, so copy this one, cut this one, and here paste it here. Okay, so our next measure is going to be mm, time management. Okay, so here um, challenges challenge time. Okay, here we'll simply copy this one and here I'll paste it, and here I'll select uh, time management. Okay, okay, so we have already created 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 measures. Our last measure is going to be uh, percentage uh, challenge interruption. So here we'll use, use total interruption, total challenges interruption divided by total respondent. So here we'll get the percentage of total percentage of interruptions. Okay, so we'll make this each measure. We'll format it to percentage. Okay, so we'll add percentage here because here we need to uh, get the percentage value. So our measures creation are has been completed. Now we will build a dashboard. Okay, we'll go into this format page, and from here we'll insert image. Right. Okay. So here this reduce this transparency to 0. Okay, this is the perfect fitted. Right. Perfect fitted uh, for this page. So here I will first insert a text box where I'll write productivity. This will be our dashboard title. Productivity survey. Productivity survey 2017. Okay. So I'll increase the text size to 36 and I'll bold it. Here, okay. So I'll give it a position here. Now I'll give it a position here, and here now my next task I am going to add a filter here, create a filter which is I'm going to add age to this filter. Okay, ages, and I'm going to turn this style to tiles. Okay, here and resize it. So I'll use this. Okay. So here we showed here a blank value. So we need to deselect blank. Okay. So let's filter it out. Select this filter, and then in basic filtering, select all and unselect only blank. Okay. So done. Here I will remove the uh, slicer header. Okay. And okay. Now I'm going to create this portion. Okay, this left side portion, which will be the statistical values or statistics of why the users or people is facing uh, problems or challenges to being productive. Okay, so here we'll going to use we're going to create like this one. I have already done this project, so I can simply copy the uh, text, which is unnecessary for the tutorial, so which can make the tutorial long. So I simply copy and paste it here. Okay. Now here here I think we need to change our the canvas. We need to go to canvas setting and we need to change the height. So we need to increase height. Okay. So let's give it 900 pixels. So here we'll apply card, okay, to show statistical values. Here, first of all, I will use this challenge distraction, and then I'll use another card to show the interruptions, and I'll use another card to show the time management, another card. Okay, to show the time management challenges, and then made a mistake here. Okay, now the syntax is okay. So challenge time management, and then again select another card for technologies. We'll use we have got four. Okay, so we need another one, which is so we'll add another card that will show the value of others, number of challenges they face. Okay, okay. So here we have missed another text box. Okay, now we will create our here some graphs and charts. Okay, so first I will select a bar chart where I'll show the uh, data of how productive, like from here, uh, how productive uh, do you currently feel overall. I will use this feature in this bar chart. Okay, I will um, put respondent ID into x-axis, and I'll put how productive do you feel overall in y-axis. Okay, so this is my bar chart, and here I will turn off the x level and y levels. So and turn off the title, and here rename this title to how productive do you feel currently? Do you feel currently? How productive do you feel currently overall? Feel currently. What do you feel currently overall? Okay, and I will change this alignment to center and background color to this and text color. Okay, and I will increase the size a little bit to 19. Okay, okay. Now I will create a pie chart. So here I said I will find out the number of. Okay, so here I will use this feature. What is the biggest challenge you face to being productive? So here I'll use this. What is the biggest challenge to details, and I will use the respondent ID to values. Okay, so here I will turn off the legend, and in data levels I will only show the category, and then I'll change the title Giving this title to what I'll set this title like this one. Okay, set this title like this one. What is the biggest challenge you face to being productive? Okay, so what is the biggest challenge you face to being productive? What is the biggest challenge you face being productive? Okay, and I will change this alignment and background color to this and increase the size to 19. Okay, or for this one, I will to increase the decrease a one two. Okay, this one or no, this one. Okay, this is good. This is looking good, right? Now, uh, my next task is going to create a donut chart. Here, I'll show this value. The what is helpful in being productive. Okay, so um, here. uh, also, what is helpful in being productive? For this, I'll use respond ID to values and uh, the helpful from most helpful table in details. So again, I will turn off the legend and I will change the data level to only categories. And here, from all of them, I will okay. I'll remove the blank option. So here, like how productive, I'll only unselect this blank option, and from this also here I'll only unselect this blank. Okay, also from this one using basic filtering. Okay, okay. So this is my third visualization. Here I'll change the title also. I'm going to give this title uh, this one. What is helpful in being productive? What is helpful in in being being productive? Okay, this one, and change this background color to this one. Okay, and increase the size to 90. Okay, here. Okay. My next visualization is going to again donut chart. Here will you show how important how important is productivity to happiness. So we'll actually uh, will use this we'll use this feature. How important would you say feeling productive is to you happiness? Okay, so we'll use this feature in this donut chart to show the uh, visualization. So here I will use respondent ID into values, and I will uh, use this how important in details, and I'll set this first of all I'll remove this legend and in title I'll rename this to like how important this one, how important is productivity to happiness, how important is productivity to happiness, this one. Okay, and background color this color and text color and increase the size to 19. Okay. Hmm, right. Okay. um, okay. Okay. So here we have already we have almost completed our um desired visualizations or this dashboard. Okay. We have already created a dashboard like this one. So we just we have left only designs. Okay, so we just need to change the colors like the background color or the text color, and add some straight line to look it more beautiful and attractive. This one look like this one. So let's do that. Here if I give this, let's say this color. Okay, and no, I'll use this color instead. Okay, here let's say have used the values color into the background color, this one. Okay, and then like this all, you can use this one, and also for all the text. Okay, I can use this color here, here also. Okay, I can do the same thing for this card's value also, like by going to this call out value and change the color to like this. Okay, and now here I'll insert some shade. This is straight line. Okay, and here and I can use this similar line below. Okay, okay. Here, what else? Let's do that in there. Increase the size, width. Okay, border width to 2 pixels, and here. Okay, and similarly it goes on like this one. Okay, okay. Now I will copy this one, and here I will change the shape to 90 degree. Okay, and okay. So this is the ultimate looking or ultimate outcome of this dashboard after designing it. Okay, so it is now looking more beautiful, more uh, responsive, and before uh, than before. Okay, so this is all for now. Hope you guys like this tutorial. Uh, so I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Assalamu alaikum.